Hello, my most amazing artist. I hope you are having a wonderful Friday. I'm outside because it's such a lovely day and because our art project today is outside. I'm so excited because I get to teach you a very fancy word. My friends, today our fancy word is ephemeral. Can you say ephemeral? Ephemeral. Ephemeral means that something is not going to last a very long time. So our art project today is ephemeral because it's not going to be on a piece of paper. It's not going to be something that we get to keep forever. It is ephemeral so that it is going to go away eventually. Let me explain. We are going to be making an ephemeral collage, or an assemblage, which just means taking a bunch of things that you have found in your backyard and making a collage or a piece of artwork out of all of those things. These are some examples of some nature collages that I have found on the internet. They're very beautiful pine cones and flowers and beautiful leaves. So cool. So sticking with our theme of peace signs this week, we are going to be making a peace sign nature collage. So all you're going to need to do is search throughout your backyard for leaves and flowers or anything. You could do rocks and sticks, any kind of thing that you can snatch up and turn into your nature collage.